Hello, my name is Derek McCammond, and this is my final deliverable for SE575. The project that I have is an app as well as a REST API that is going to tabulate the user input. So what I used was Cordova in order to create the app, and that's JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. I wanted to use a single page application framework for that, so I used Angular 7, which used TypeScript, HTML, and CSS in a bundle in order to create the JavaScript that Cordova was going to use. And I used AdMob Pro, which is in JavaScript, which is an API in order to service the ads that I'm asking the user to get. And the REST API that I used was Amazon AWS, and I have a DynamoDB backend and Node.js Lambda function. So what it does is it allows the user to select which nonprofit they would like their ad revenue to go towards, and then it asks them to watch an ad. And the REST API, it just gathers all of their choices into a database so that I could tabulate them and then later on collect that information and then figure out, based on the revenue that I got, I would divide it up evenly. And the only link for this project is my GitHub. It's the Ads for Charity at my username, Fleck. So what I have going on here is I have my Android emulator already up, and I have my project here. So I'm just going to go ahead and build using Angular one more time just to make sure that all of my project files are up to date. Okay, that built okay. So now we're going to run the Cordova package builder. Perfect, it built that just fine. So now we have a install success, a launch success. So now it has installed this. Unfortunately, the launch seems to be a little bit buggy with Cordova, so I do have to launch it myself. So as you can see, it's waiting to prepare the ad, and it finally prepared the ad. So it has to reach out to the server and get the video ready, and then as soon as it's ready, I can watch the ad. But first, I just want to show that I have the Ads for Charity database loaded here. There is nothing in the database right now, and so as soon as we watch the ad, so we have nothing in there, and then we have a watch. Now the charity ID is just 0 because I was not able to do the selector. Unfortunately, I was not able to get it to load based on that. However, I do have it tabulating correctly. And then if you notice, if I close out of here, no other event is being propagated. It only works on success for this watch. Okay, perfect. So we have 2 ads watched. And so that's the extent of the project. I have a working menu, and I hope that this is enough. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, and thank you so much for a wonderful class.